Hey guys, welcome to my project for the Vapi.ai challenge, TutorlyAI, your personalized AI tutor. Students often get stuck while studying at home. Late night study sessions with no one to ask for help or waiting for the teacher responses can interrupt learning momentum. Even on the internet, there is scattered information present, no reliable source. But Tutorly AI is trained based on the user's provided notes, so it can explain concepts, take mock oral exams, or generate quizzes based on the user's provided class notes or the lecture notes by the professor. So, right here is the authentication page where user can sign up or sign in using the Firebase authentication. So, if the user, let's say, directly wants to jump into the home page, it will be redirected back to the sign in page. So I have just made a demo account, so let's just sign in with that. This is the home page with a nice interactive 3D robot and a nice and clean sleek UI. Below is the history section where a user can track his progress. These were these past quizzes I took for some testing purpose, and there is the footer with the social links provided. So let's jump into the live demo session with the Vapi.ai assistant. Here the user can upload his notes material, then the AI assistant will be created using the notes as the knowledge base. Then the session will start, and after the session is over, the transcripts will be submitted to the LLM. I have used Gemini over here, and it will then generate a feedback. So let's first get a random topic to make notes on. Let's select this topic, let's say money. Let's copy the first paragraph. Uh, so let's create a text document and paste our notes over here. Let's paste our notes over here. Let's save it. And after creating the notes document, we can select the document from here. We can browse the document, or we can simply drag and drop it in this section. Now it will ask for the microphone permission for the call to get started. Let's allow it. And there we go.
I am Tutorly, your personal AI tutor. To start off, please let me know, do you want me to explain a concept in detail, run a mock oral exam, or a mix of these?
Let's run a mock oral exam, please.
Got it. First, how many questions would you like me to ask during this mock oral exam?
Let's keep it short. So let's go with one question only.
All right, here's your question. Can you explain the four main functions of money based on the notes provided? Feel free to take your time, and whenever you're ready, go ahead and answer.
I'm sorry, I can't remember. Can you please help me with that?
No problem. Let me explain it to you briefly. Based on your notes, money has four key functions. 1. Medium of exchange. Money is widely accepted in payment for goods and services, making transactions simpler than bartering. 2. Unit of account. Money provides a standard way to measure and compare the value of goods, services, and debts. 3. Store of value. Money holds its value over time, letting you save and use it in the future. 4. Standard of deferred payment, sometimes included. Money is used for payments that are set to be made at a later date, such as loans or installment plans. Let me know if you want to try answering again, or we can wrap up this session positively.
We can wrap up the session now. Thanks.
All right, you did great engaging in this session. Thank you for giving it a try. To review, we looked at the 4 key functions of money: medium of exchange, unit of account, store of value, and sometimes standard of deferred payment. As a next step, I recommend practicing by summarizing these key functions in your own words so they stick well. Keep up the effort, it really pays off. Thanks for your time and have a fantastic day ahead.
And that was our AI session. So now it will generate the feedback and redirect the user after the feedback is generated. It will give an overall score and judge the user some on some performance breakdown like communication skills, technical knowledge, problem solving, confidence and clarity, key strength and areas for improvement. Now we can retake the class again or jump back to the dashboard. Now it also has a feature to take a quiz. So let's jump into that. Here the user can again upload his notes material on whichever topic he wants the quiz on. It will generate the quiz after analyzing the document, and after generating the questions, we can start the assessment. And after completing the quiz, it will give us the result page with the correct answer and the answer we chose. It will give an overall score. You can take another assessment or go back to the home page. Now if we scroll down, you can see our past quizzes. We can just see the quiz on money we just took, and then we can compare our progress. So here I have used Next.js, Firebase for the backend, Vapi.ai for the AI assistant creation and the voice assistant, and LLM, which is Gemini. So this was it from my side for the project. It was a really fun and creative one, and thanks for the Vapi to give this opportunity. So that was it from my side, guys. Signing off. Bye bye.